yes, managed to get that in the distance. Yeah, it was quite far away, but managed to see it quite further away from here. Right, so that was EC175 or H175 it's now called. Yeah, that's right, okay. So offshore, right, so it's not Babcock, offshore helicopters, now it's offshore helicopter services. Right, so that's what it was. Yeah, I managed to see that fly over. I managed to see that in the distance there from here. Well, I'll actually show you where it's come from. Actually, it's took off. Right. Right, so that's took off. I think it's Silverstone Heliport. Yes, that took off from Silverstone Heliport. Look, that's going to fly up to Aberdeen Airport, which is where it's originally based at, actually. And the reg is G-MCSO. That's up to over 41. So that's up to over 4,100 feet. So over 4,100 feet it's up to, and it's call sign ULR99A. Oh, right, I'm going to have to stop recording there. I don't run out of time. Alright, thank you for watching, bye.